Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Tech Developer. In this video I am going to show you how you can calculate average salary from list of employees. So let's get started. First of all, let me create the class that is named question 6, and let me paste the question here so that you can guys get understand what is the question. So it is just a simple thing that we need to calculate average salary from list of employee using Java 8 Stream API. So it is just simple thing. If you need to calculate the salary, you need to calculate the average salary, then you need to add all the salary and divide it by the number of employees, right? So let's do this in the Stream API. So how the stream function and which of the stream function we can use to simply calculate the the average salary from the list of employees. So for that we need some employees. So let me create the main method first. After that, let me copy the employee list from my last video's data. So this we have the list of employees here. Now the list of employees we have here, we need to calculate the average salary from that using Stream API. So for that we need the double, that is average salary variable, and in that using the employee list dot stream dot we have a method called map to double. See, map to double I am doing this because we need to calculate the average salary, right? So we need to perform the operation on the salary part, salary field, right? So for applying this data on the salary field, what we need to do, we need to first convert the list of employee or the stream of employee to stream of double salary, means a double stream. So it will be the stream of salary. On that we are able to operate for average method, right? So for that, first we need to do the stream of the employee list, and then we have a map to double method in which we just need the method reference employee get salary, and then dot average method is already there, right? So we can see that average method that we have is returning the optional double. Means if salary is there, means if salary optional double is average is there, then it will give you the data. Otherwise, we can provide or else method where we can give zero point 0.0 as a optional value, that suppose if the average is not available and it is a double string, right? So double is a wrapper class, it can be present or not. So it is saying that if it is present, calculate the average. Otherwise, if the average calculation is not present and the object of double is empty, then it will provide you zero point 0.0. That means it will be the default value for the average salary. So let me do the sys out and check that our average salary is coming or not. So we are printing it. So for that we are using the sys out. Average salary is this, right? So let me run this application. Go to run as and run as Java application. So we can see our average salary is 57,500, right? So we have 1,50,000, 50,000 and 15,000 and 15,000. So generally to calculate the average of the employee and the salary from it, we need to add all the salary and divide it by 4. So if you calculate this, then the output will be same, that is 57,500. So this is the average salary. So simply to calculate the average salary of a list of employee, you need to stream on the list and convert it to the stream of double or the stream of get salary type, and then inside that we will be having the average method. So average method will return us the optional double, and for that optional we have to use the get method, right? To convert the optional to the real object, we need to use the get method, right? So instead of that we are using or else method, means if the average salary of optional is available, then it will give you the average salary. Otherwise, it will give you the zero point 0.0 as a default average salary. So, hope you guys are clear with this question and you know the concept of the map to double and how we can calculate the average salary from that. So thank you for watching this video guys. Bye for now. Please like my videos, share these videos with your friends, and please subscribe my channel so that you can get all the latest videos notification by pressing the bell icon. Bye for now guys. Take care.